back to my channel. It's your girl Zeba here today, and I'm going to show y'all some slimes. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, this is slime number 1. It's really nice. Well, it's kind of hard. Let me take this out of the thing. It has so many beads in it that it's kind of hard to get out. Yeah, well that part's just gonna stay in there. This part, ooh, it's kind of sticky. It has so many beads. It smells kind of like a raspberry, strawberry thing. I don't know how to explain the smell. Maybe like a Pop-Tart. Yeah, like a Pop-Tart. So satisfying. Okay. Well, guess we're done with slime number 1. Number 2 is actually comes in 2s because it was so big when I made it. That I had to go in 2 containers. By the way, this one I didn't make. I didn't make slime number 3 either. I didn't make slime number 1 or slime number 2. I only made slime number 2. Slime number 2. It's really nice. It's a buttercream slime. That's what it is. Yeah, buttercream. It's so nice. A bigger chunky to do. Sounds so satisfying. It smells like passion fruit. Because I know what scent I put in it, people. I put passion fruit in it. That's all for slime number 2. That's came in 2. Time for the next slime. Yeah, this slime that you see here is really nice. Let's stick to the lid. Take a little piece. Don't want to take out the whole thing. It's like a stretchy slime. Yeah, I think I would consider this a stretchy slime. I mean, all slimes are stretchy, but like the type of slime called stretchy, and I think this is a stretchy slime, but I'm not sure because it doesn't feel like any slimes that I know of. Since I'm a slime girl, people. So satisfying. Well, I guess that's all the slimes that we got for today. Yay. My favorite was the honeycomb one, this one, slime number 2, because I made it, and it's so nice to play with. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.